Don't let a decline in confidence or desire hold you back from living a full and passionate life. Semaxin is a natural, all-in-one solution designed to help you regain your strength, passion, and performance. It's more than just a supplement. It's a partner in revitalizing your drive, enhancing your performance, and ultimately, boosting your overall well-being. Take the first step toward rediscovering the vibrant and confident man you're meant to be. Semaxin offers a holistic approach to feeling more energetic and self-assured, both in and out of the bedroom. By targeting key aspects of male vitality, including improved blood flow, balanced hormones, and heightened libido, this supplement provides a truly comprehensive solution. It's time to reduce stress, boost your energy, and reclaim the passion and confidence that come with feeling your best. What makes Semaxin so effective is its carefully crafted blend of 11 natural, science-backed ingredients. We don't believe in quick fixes. Instead, we use a synergistic approach that leverages powerful compounds to enhance nitric oxide production, leading to better blood flow and stronger, more lasting erections. Our formula also incorporates vital extracts like saffractive, maca, damiana, and Korean ginseng to naturally boost libido, energy, and overall male vitality, with added support for prostate health, testosterone optimization, and nutrient absorption from ingredients like pumpkin seed, licorice root, vitamin E, zinc, and bioperine. Semaxin offers a truly comprehensive solution. It's time to stop letting self-doubt dictate your life. Semaxin provides a natural path to rekindling your inner fire, boosting your confidence, and enjoying a more vibrant and fulfilling intimate life. Why wait to experience the difference? Are you ready to revitalize your intimate life, strengthen your relationships, and elevate your male vitality?